Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you love great barbecue but hate how complicated and bulky most pellet grills are, if you want real wood-fired flavour without spending a fortune or needing a huge backyard setup, or if you are looking for a portable pellet grill that actually delivers restaurant quality results on your patio, deck, or even camping trips, then you are going to love what I have for you today. We're reviewing the GRILLS 2026 200A tabletop wood pellet grill. This compact powerhouse brings authentic pellet smoking and grilling in a portable size that fits almost anywhere. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this little grill punches way above its weight. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the GRILLS 200A. It is a true tabletop pellet grill with a 200 square inch cooking surface, perfect for 2 to 6 people. It runs on real wood pellets and gives you that rich, smoky flavour you cannot get from gas or charcoal. The digital temperature control lets you set exact temps from 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it holds steady so you can smoke low and slow or sear hot and fast. It has a hopper that holds enough pellets for several hours of cooking, an easy-to-read LED display, and simple one-button ignition. The grill is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it easy to move from the kitchen counter to the patio or pack in the car for tailgating or camping. It includes a folding side shelf for extra workspace, a grease management system that keeps things clean, and a sturdy stainless steel build that handles outdoor weather well. Setup is super simple. Just fill the hopper with pellets, plug it in, set your temperature, and let it do the work. Real-world performance is where this grill really shines. It produces excellent smoke flavor on ribs, brisket, chicken, and even pizzas. The temperature stays consistent, so your food cooks evenly without constant babysitting. The compact size makes it perfect for apartments, small patios, RV living, or anyone who does not have space for a big smoker. It heats up quickly and is easy to clean afterward. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced griller, this grill makes delicious wood-fired food simple and fun. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Authentic wood pellet flavor that beats gas grills. Precise digital temperature control from 180 to 450 degrees. Compact and portable design that fits almost anywhere. Easy one-button start and simple controls. Good capacity for 2 to 6 people. Lightweight and easy to move. Excellent value for the performance. Reviewers say it delivers restaurant-quality results in a small package. On the con side, the cooking area is smaller than full-size grills, so it is best for smaller groups. Hopper size means you may need to refill for very long smokes. No built-in Wi-Fi or app control like higher-end models. It needs electricity, so it is not completely off-grid. These are typical for a portable pellet grill, and the pros far outweigh them for most backyard cooks and travellers. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the GRILLS 2026 200A tabletop wood pellet grill if you want real wood-fired flavour, precise temperature control, and portable convenience at a great price. It is fantastic for apartment dwellers, small patios, RV owners, tailgaters, or anyone who wants delicious smoked and grilled food without a huge, bulky smoker. If these honest grilling and outdoor gear reviews are helping you cook better at home, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this got you excited to fire up some great barbecue, give it a like, share with your grilling buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.